Hello, we are at 562 Belvedere and this is apartment 1. We are on the second floor of a 3-floor building, 5 units total. Okay, coming in the front door of the apartment, come right into an entry hallway. Here is the intercom for the entry gate of the building. We'll start here with the kitchen. Okay, we got full-size fridge, gas range, microwave. There's the breaker box for the unit, dishwasher and disposal, granite countertops, lots of wood cabinets. Okay, it's an open concept floor plan, so the kitchen is open to the living room. Coming into the living room, nice big picture window. We are facing west here. Belvedere is in Coal Valley, and we're on Belvedere very near 17th Street. Oh, got a little Picasutro tower out there. Okay, got recessed lighting on the ceiling. Here's the electric wall-mounted heater for the living room, and you'll see one in each bedroom as well. Okay, bedroom number 1. This is the larger of the 2 bedrooms. And again, windows facing west out onto Belvedere Street. There's the heater for this room and the closet. I'd say in this room you could comfortably do queen size bed. Coming out into the hallway. Little linen closet / coat closet. Okay, bedroom number 2. This is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. And I think in here you would do either a queen or a full. And then there's the heater for this room and also another closet. Hardwood floors throughout the unit with the exception of the bathroom. Okay, a little window out onto the light well. This building does have shared washer dryer for the 5 units down on the ground floor. Okay, coming on into the bathroom here. Full bath, shower over tub, exhaust fan, window for ventilation, pedestal sink. Towel bar, all that good stuff. All right, again, 562 Belvedere, number 1. Thanks so much for watching.